So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you can see, we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And above that, the trip computer for the car, which includes the total miles. They are 2,449, so very low mileage. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that central section. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. For example, trip computer, your vehicle settings, your phone, audio menu as well, driver assist, and then back round to the beginning again. Now the buttons I was using to do that are on the right hand side just here. We have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left hand side along with a speed limiter as well. Over in the center is where you'd pair your phones. So hit connect to phone and then add phone.
Search for Ford Fiesta on your device and select Ford Fiesta once it is found.
Then follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to music in this car, we have AM, FM and DAB radio as well as Bluetooth audio. This car's also got two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options. We have our main volume for the stereo just there. And then beneath that, the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed and the temperature, the direction that the air is being distributed in. This button turns your air conditioning off, in this case, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. We have the storage section, 12-volt charging socket and one of the two USB inputs I mentioned. A 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. We can turn off the traction control and we can put the vehicle into eco mode from here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.